Okay, let's make sure this is working. So first off, testing, testing, testing. And it's very bright in here, and I can't really see the screen, so hopefully you can see me. Shouldn't be too hard. Good morning. So it's October now, and as always, we've got new content, we've got new stuff going on here. So this is the members area Monday announcement. So I'm just making this quick video to go over some new things that are going on in the members area. And if you're concerned about my disheveled appearance, it's because I got in late last night after my keynote speech I was invited to a health conference in New Jersey to do a keynote speech for one of our members. So I said, sure. And got back late last night, and then my tire, we got a flat tire on the way back from the airport, so we had to deal with that. So we didn't get home until about 1:30. But anyways, enough of that. Here's what's going on this week. So we have this is really cool, but this is something we've been working on for a long time, and this is a way that we've integrated what we've done with the Yoga Fitness for Men book, which is, in case you haven't seen it. So this is a way that we've integrated all the work that I've done with this book into the members area. So we're launching, or we've just launched the Man-Flow Yoga Pose Guide in our members area. And this is taking, actually, initially this is using pretty much all the information that we have in this book in the pose section and putting that into the members area in a easily viewable format. So that's going to be, it's already really cool. We're adding poses slowly to it. So we have I think 8 right now, and we'll be adding hopefully 5 per week or something along those lines until we get all 55 up. It has information like the benefits of the posture, so kind of a quick introduction to the pose. We talk about the technique, so we give you a full video walkthrough of the posture and a really nice quick video too. So, it's very direct and to the point. There's no filler. We also put stuff like what you should be feeling, what you shouldn't be feeling in the posture, which is kind of what Man-Flow Yoga is best well known for when we talk with people and we go meet people across the country who are using Man-Flow Yoga, and they talk about what they like the most. It always is the in-depth technique description, talking about what you should be feeling in the posture and what you should be keeping in mind and that kind of thing. And then also modifications if you're not quite there yet. So if you're not flexible enough or you just don't have the strength or experience yet. And then we answer some common FAQs. So that is our comprehensive pose guide, and we'll be slowly building that over the next few months, but it is live now. And as I said, we have a few workouts already, or a few videos already in there, a few poses already in there. Other things going on. We've got 2 new workouts, and these are from our test versions of our upcoming Yoga Charge DVD. So these aren't going to be the final versions of the workouts. These are just test versions. But they're fantastic workouts, and rather than just not using that content, we wanted to make it available because they're great workouts. They're very well thought out workouts, and we also want to hear your feedback on them. So we have made those workouts available in the members area. We edited them and made them as professional as all of our other videos, and so those are now available in the members area. Got 2 for you in addition to the one that we put out last week. So this is a full body AM workout. It's 28 minutes. And then we also have a shorter one, which is a core and hips warm up. And that's kind of similar to if you've done my morning yoga for energy and confidence workout, which is one of my most popular workouts on YouTube and also in the members area. That's kind of similar to that one in terms of the format. So those 2 workouts are now available in the members area. Log into the homepage and you'll see them in the workout library. And then other stuff going on. We just finished my last workshop in New Jersey. Connected with a mutual friend of mine, who is his name is, wow, I'm blanking on his name right now. Travis. Travis? Please tell me it's Travis. I have to look this up. Yeah, it's Travis Pollen. That's his name. Travis Pollen. His name is, he also goes by the Fitness Pollinator. So if you guys want to check him out, I'm going to post in here. But he's a very knowledgeable very knowledgeable guy when it comes to fitness and strength training and just overall fitness. He's awesome. Pretty sure he just finished his master's dissertation on, and I could be wrong, but anyways, he's an incredibly intelligent dude, and he's got a great Facebook page. Check him out, Travis Pollen, Fitness Pollinator. And anyway, so I connected with a mutual friend of his to do this workshop at No Bull Training. No Bull as in no bullshit training in New Jersey. Or sorry, not New Jersey, in Pennsylvania, close to Philadelphia. And that was last weekend. So I'm excited to announce that we have another workshop coming up in Cleveland, November 23rd. Cleveland is my hometown. So I will be home for Thanksgiving. And I thought, well, we should definitely do a workout while we're there. So I'd love for you to join me in Cleveland. I'm going to be at a studio of actually a friend of mine from high school who was in choir with me and lifted weights with me. And he is a former collegiate football player. Anyway, that's his gym, and we're going to be doing it there, downtown Cleveland, on Friday, November 23rd, which is Black Friday. So it's going to be kind of an alternative to going out and shopping, or something we can do after Thanksgiving, because we all ate too much and we want to work out because we feel bad about it. So that's going to be cool. You can sign up at my blog, manfulyoga.com/blog. There's also a link in the description here. I'll go ahead and post it here as well. So I hope you'll join me for that. If you're in the area, it's free for members, which is really cool. So if you're already a member of the members area, it is free for you guys. And if you're not, it's just going to be $15 to sign up. It's a 90-minute class. It's something that I've been doing all this year. I've been traveling around the country and doing this workshop. It has extremely good feedback. It's a really in my opinion, it's a very comprehensive, well put together workshop that helps you with every aspect of your fitness. We're mostly going to be going over how to improve muscle activation and how we can apply that to all of our workouts. So if you're in Cleveland, I hope to see you there, and we'll be posting about that over the next few weeks so we can have a really nice turnout. And Richard misspelled Cleveland. Oh boy. Anyway, so Cleveland spelled wrong. We'll fix that. I also wanted to post some other things here because so look in the comments if you're watching this video now. If there is an ability to look at comments. Let me see if I can post photos. Oh, I can't post photos in the comments here. Okay, never mind. But anyways, I was going to show you some screenshots from the workouts that I just posted, but I can't do that, so never mind. And that's what's going on this week. So if you're not already a member, we're not open for enrollment. That's going to be happening very soon though, because we haven't closed. We were closed all of September, so we didn't have any no open enrollment in September, so you couldn't just go on the website and sign up. But right now, while you wait, you can join my wait list, or you can request an invite, and you can do that at manfulyoga.com. Just go to my website, manfulyoga.com, and you can go to you can either go to the members area page, or you can just go to the home page, and right at the top of the page there will be an option to join the wait list or request your invite. So I'll post that in the comments here. If you've been watching this for a while and you're looking for workouts, or you're looking for a program to follow, we have tons of that stuff. It's very easy to get started. The only complaint that I get from people is that there's too much content. Yes, that is the complaint. There's too much content. We put out too much workout content to use, which is really great because you can find exactly what you need. And there are tons of programs for beginners, so you can just start a program and get going. There's no decision paralysis, which is a big problem. So you can just get in, choose a program, and get going. So I think that's all I wanted to talk about today. So thanks, guys, if you tuned in to watch this. If you're already in the members area, thank you for being part of the members area. Make sure to do the workouts and then talk about them in our Facebook group, in our private Facebook group. And if you're not already, again, you can request an invite, or you can get started with a free 7-day intro, and you can learn a little bit more about my workouts, kind of my teaching style on manfulyoga.com/intro. I'll go ahead and put that link in here too, so you can check that out. Assuming it posts. Does it post? Let's see here. Sometimes Facebook doesn't like that. I don't know why. All right, cool guys. Thanks for joining me. And make sure to join me on Wednesdays at 12 p.m. Live workouts. Wednesdays, I'm posting, I'm typing things. Wednesdays at 12 p.m. Central Time on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Make sure to join me there. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. And I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good one.